Hey there everybody, my name's Bryan Ewald and this is my YouTube channel. It's going to be basically dedicated to guitar tips and tricks, lessons, a few demos here and there, some pedals and stuff like that, covering beginner to advanced stuff, a little bit of anything just for those of you just getting started out playing guitar or interested in playing guitar, to those of you who've been playing and are looking for help connecting the dots and understanding how it all works together. Understanding the names and the shapes on the guitar. I've been teaching for a long time and making my living with music for a long time, and I found a lot of things that work well for me. Hopefully I can pass that information along and help some of you out. I'll be covering a lot of stuff in the studio here about writing parts, getting tones for songs, talking about different pedals, loop pedals, how to use them for performance and for practice, helping with improv and breaking out of ruts, learning songs, understanding intervals, all kinds of things. I'm also going to be covering a lot of things based on what I do day by day. I make my living playing guitar, gigging and some touring, and a whole lot of studio work. So especially on the studio side, getting tones, choosing instruments, different tips and tricks for writing parts and how to approach song and playing for the song, which will help you get called back for more gigs, and how to prep for gigs, all those kind of things, kind of some of the business side of it. I also play a lot of slide, so I'll do some lessons gearing towards just getting started with slide, some of the things that make it tough for people just getting over that hump of learning the basics of slide into some more advanced ideas. Really just about anything guitar or music related. If there's something that you have a question about or a topic you'd like covered, feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe and keep an eye on what's going on, and hopefully I post some things that help you along the way.